Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Arifah Khalida. I will retell the journal entitled The Impact of Experiential Marketing on Word of Mouth (WOM) with Customer Satisfaction as the intervening variable, Kamlayat B. Muhammad, Jesse Artandi from Faculty Economics, State University Surabaya. This assignment is an English semester final exam given by Miss Dina. Immediately, the first is the abstract part. Indonesia is a country with the largest Muslim population in the world. The awareness and desire of the Indonesian Muslim population to carry out the fifth pillar of Islam, namely the pilgrimage, increased significantly in 2015. PT Mokhtar received the title as a special Umrah and Hajj organizer from the Ministry of Religion of the Republic of Indonesia and was ranked first of experiential marketing on word of mouth (WOM) with satisfaction as an intervention variable. The research design in this study used hypothesis testing with purposive sampling technique. Respondents in this study were 105 respondents. The data analysis technique used most 20 software. Number second is the introduction. Indonesia is country with the largest Muslim population in the world, with 85% of the population being Muslim. As the economy developed in Indonesia, the awareness and ability of Muslim in Indonesia to fulfill the fifth pillar of Islam, namely Hajj, in increasing. Competition in the special travel agency industry, especially Umrah and Hajj travel agencies in Surabaya, is getting tougher. The Ministry of Religion record 75 Hajj and Umrah travel agencies in Surabaya registered with the Ministry of Religion. Having a competitive sense, a company that can survive is a company that has the ability to provide satisfaction to customer, which will then have a positive impact on the company, but in the long and short term. As a result, customer loyalty can be earned. Then, WOM is a statement or personal or non-personal submitted by someone other than the organization to the customer. Ciptono 2014. Decide that the purpose of running a business is to create customer satisfaction. Satisfaction is a person's feeling of pleasure or disappointment resulting from comparing the performance or previous result of a product with his expectation. Kotler and Keller 2009. Irawan 2009 states that there are 5 factors to create satisfaction. They are product quality, then service quality, price, emotionally, and feasibility. In the long term, the level of satisfaction will provide many benefits for the company. One of the special Hajj and Umrah travel agencies that offer experiential marketing strategies is PT Spesial Umrah and Hajj Mokhtar. Maktour is a company that specializes in organizing special Hajj and Umrah. A number of facilities provided by Maktour to the pilgrims, for example, 5-star hotel as a accommodation, transportation, food, and other facilities. It also offers various programs for Umrah, such as Umrah rituals, and Musahabah spiritual cleansing. Maktour is now growing rapidly, being selected as the best special Hajj and Umrah organizer 1997, 20,001, based on the Ministry of Religion accreditation. Then Maktour was ranked first in the top brand index in 2014 with a TBI value of 19.8%. And the second place was Shafirator with a TBI value of 7.2%. One of the reasons for this success is the implementation of the quality of service provided, as well as experiential marketing strategies. Next about review relates to the literature. Schmidt 1999 explained that experiential marketing is an approach to marketing customer experience through sense, feel, think, act, and relate to certain brands and companies. Experiential marketing not only communicates product, feature, and benefit, but also combines product and service with a unique and engaging experience. Mentioned in the research conducted by Greg 2004. Experiential marketing is a kind of tool for creating warm experience, can be driven by providing researchers beyond the boundaries of the product or service offered. A codified behavior warm is the result of the company's strategy warm. Based on this definition, it can be concluded that experiential marketing is a marketing concept created to create a customer experience for the company. Through its elements that sense, feel, act, think, relation, it can increase consumer expectation, of the real experience that consumers get, so as to be able to create customer value, to increase customer loyalty in the long term, and create warmth. Number 4, Next, about the method. This research is a quantitative research that uses hypothesis testing as a research designed to test hypotheses and explain the phenomenon of the influence of experiential marketing on WOM with customer satisfaction as an intervening variable. Purposive sampling is used as a sampling method using the criteria of regular Umrah pilgrims and not the category of Umrah plus with an age range of 19 for 5 years. This adjusts to the segmentation of PT Special Umrah and Hajj Maktoum. Respondents in this study amounted to 105 people. Primary data is used through a questionnaire. The study used 3 variables consisting of independent variable, intervening variables, and dependent variables. The independent variable is experiential marketing. After the validity test, it is known that all statements on experiential marketing indicators, satisfaction, and WOM variables have a corrected item total correlation value that is greater than the R table value 3,0. This shows that the indicator of each variable are valid or can be used to measure the resist variable correctly. Then track the reliability test. Cronbach alpha value for each variable was greater than 0,006. It can be concluded that all variables have good reliability. Then number 5, about finding and discussion. Based on linearity on outlier tests, it is known that the significance value of experiential marketing WOM and customer satisfaction is less than 0,05 or 0,000, 0,05. In addition, the relationship between experiential marketing, WOM, and customer satisfaction is also linear, and the P2 value does not show less than 0,05. So overall, it can be concluded that the data is feasible to use in the next estimation as in the next estimation. Based on the first to fourth hypothesis, the CR value and probability are smaller than 0,05. This shows the experiential marketing and customer satisfaction have a significant effect on the WOM variable, or it can be concluded that the first to fourth hypotheses are accepted. Then The result of the Sobel test are shown in table 2. Based on the table, it is known that the significance value of the probability of experiential marketing is 0,000 P 0,05. This shows that the experiential marketing variable has a significant effect on satisfaction and warmth, which means that the mediation test of the Sobel test is accepted. Meanwhile, based on the second analysis, the result shows the customer satisfaction has a direct positive effect on warmth with a value of 6,076 more than 2,00. The significant probability value is 0,000 P 0,05 and the standard regression weight value of 0,058. The result of the third hypothesis indicate that experiential marketing has a positive effect on warmth directly with a value of 7,134 more than 2,00. The significance probability value is 0,000 P 0,05 and the standard regression weight value is 0,027. Finally, the result of this study indicate the experiential marketing has an effect on warmth with customer satisfaction as an intervening variable. This can be seen from the indirect effect of experiential marketing variable on warmth with satisfaction as intervening variable. This means that the fourth hypothesis is accepted. Finally, all hypothesis is accepted. The last one is the conclusion and recommendation. Based on the discussion and result above, it can be concluded that the experiential marketing variable has a positive and significant effect on satisfaction. The satisfaction variable has a positive and significant effect on warmth. The experiential marketing variable has a positive and significant effect on warmth. The experiential marketing variable has a positive and significant effect on warmth with satisfaction customer as an intervening variable. Some suggestions that can be submitted to PT Maktor, such as providing Maktor character development to all Maktor advisor through ESQ training and other technical training, as well as providing further socialization to Mutawaf, especially in terms of the quality of Mutawaf. Soft skill and hard skill can be improved. In this case, Maktor can monitor and evaluate the program and service that are being carried out. This is Retail Journal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.